Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Kuttel, and I just finished filming a workout for my Patreon. And if you don't know, I do have a Patreon, and if you guys join that, you get monthly workouts for Choi Lei Fat Kung Fu, you get a monthly workout for Tai Chi, we do some applications, some weapons focus, and the occasional vlog and sneak peek for my regular channels. And it got me thinking about something that, you know, when it comes to martial arts these days and going online and going on YouTube and people learning that way. For one, it's amazing because we have so many resources at our fingertips, and there's a lot of qualified instructors out there that have really good information. And if you're going out there to look for new ways to work out and new ways to develop your skills and your martial arts and your flexibility and your agility, coordination, and your strength, I mean, there's so many things that you can do. It becomes almost overwhelming. And it's very easy to look at one workout one day and be like, oh, I'm going to do that. That looks cool. And then you do it. And then the next day you look up another workout. Oh, I'm going to do that. That's cool. And though it's nice to have variety that kind of keeps you on your toes all the time, there's really no development in what you're doing because there's no consistency. So again, with everything that's all out there right now, it's tough to really pick which one you want to pursue. But I would really take a step back and decide what you want to develop. Don't be on the most basic level. Oh, I want to get stronger. Why? You need to decide why you need to get stronger or what you need to focus on to get stronger. Do you want stronger punches? Do you want stronger kicks? Do you want to hold your kicks higher? Do you want to drop your stances lower? Do you just want to be able to punch harder when you hit the bag or when you hit an opponent? So you have to kind of really be more detailed in your goals. And then once you find workouts and exercises that meet those details, write yourself a little program. Don't be too ambitious, don't be too extreme, but write up a program that'll last you, 15, 20 minutes. And then follow that program for an entire month. Like, put in the time for this program. And I suggest do it every other day, depending on what you're doing. If you're doing strength training, it's going to be a little bit different. But if you do a day on, day off, it gives your body a chance to rest and recover. And you get enough repetition that after you figure out the basic movements and your body gets used to it, then you can actually develop what the movements are there for. So you have more purpose to your workout. And as you continue through it, you'll notice that after a week or so of doing the workout, you feel really comfortable. Maybe your cardio is up to handle it, maybe your strength is up to handle it, and you don't feel as challenged as when you started. That's great. Focus on the refinement of technique, and then you can also start one-upping your workout, make it a little bit more intense, add reps or add time for something, or try to add a new exercise at the end that still follows that main goal. Don't look at this as like, oh, in 1 month I'm going to be an amazing puncher or kicker, but look at it in a long game, because the things that you do and you quickly develop, you can also quickly lose. So 1 month's workout on something and then abandoning that completely is going to result in just losing that skill that you elevated. So you have to be able to play for the long game here. This month, if your focus is kicking, next month still involves something that's kicking. And again, I said maybe do like a 15-20 minute workout for that, because if you're doing this for martial arts, you should still have another 15 or 20 minutes to work on your specific martial arts at that point. So if you're doing a forms style martial art like Kung Fu, after you do your workout for maybe developing your kicking or your punching power or flexibility, then you follow that up with your workout of your regular techniques and material, because that way your body starts combining the two together. So it'll really get the two involved, combine that to develop your martial arts completely. So it's not going to be just separate, like, oh, I can kick high, but only when I do this specific warm-up. But no, your body's used to doing it as in combination with your forms as well. So I hope this helps, because really it's very easy to get overwhelmed and try to do a million different workouts and then never feel like you're making any progress. So pick something, be smart about what you pick, and then pursue it, follow that, make it a routine for a month. Now, if you're interested in my workouts, Patreon link is going to be at the end of this video. I'll put it up here as well and in the description down below. I have weekly videos on my Patreon that are exclusive. I never release on YouTube. We do a Kung Fu workout, a Tai Chi workout, usually weapons focus, and then either a vlog or a technique where we do application or something like that. So there's always something going on, new video each week, and I haven't stopped since I started Patreon. So again, hope you guys got something out of this. Let me know if you have any other advice for people down below, how they can better work out their martial arts and develop themselves. And let me know what you guys think. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, this is Sifu Kuttel.
Bye.